In light of the ongoing armed conflict and escalating tension in part of the Gulf region, the City government expresses deep concern with the safety and welfare of Filipino workers, particularly constituents of Cebu City who are currently employed or residing in affected areas. Cebu City recognizes the critical role of our overseas Filipino workers, or OFWs, in sustaining their families and contributing both to the local and national economy. Their protection and well-being remain a priority during times of international crisis. Okay? In this regard, the Cebu City government respectfully requests the following. Number one, an official status report of the number of registered Cebu City residents currently working or residing in the affected Gulf countries. Number two, updates on the security situation and risk assessment concerning Filipino nationals in the said areas. The information of any repatriation plans, contingency measures, or immigration protocols currently being implemented or prepared by the national government. Therefore, guidance on how the Cebu City government coordinate and complement national government efforts, including local integration assistance, emergency financial or life support, temporary shelter for psychological services for returning OFWs, and data sharing protocols subject to privacy regulations. So, kung yan itong ginagawa, proposed city government actions. Cebu City is prepared to activate local assistance desk for OFWs and families seeking information. So, mag-ipo tayo. Number two, coordinate the barangays for identification of affected families, where they provide temporary assistance and referral services to returning workers, and collaborate with national agencies for re-immigration programs. Okay? So, we respectfully request a coordination meeting, virtual or in person, between representatives of OWA, DFA, and Cebu City government at the soonest possible time to align response mechanisms. The city government of Cebu stands ready to work closely with the national government to ensure that our constituents abroad are protected, that their families here at home receive timely support and accurate information.